we are still practicing warming up our voices, and we can use these cards to practice warming our voices up. So this one, we can match our voice to the line like this. Ooh. So you go ahead. Ready? Let's see. Oh, this one's goofy. And I'm doing it backwards. So you go ahead. Ready? All right. And if you were to do it all in one breath, that's pretty amazing. So we've had two examples of these, but what I would like for you to do is go and make your own and then challenge your family to match the lines. So go practice warming up your voices and teach your family to do the same. Keep making music.